It is time for class. I sit down now. I need power. The battery is full. Open the computer. How? My hands are ready. I move the arrow. The internet is working. The signal is strong. Open the browser. Type the name here. I need to log in. Here is my name. Now, click Enter. I have an email. Click the link. Zoom is starting. I en farweaves path pra. I am in the waiting room. The camera is on. Hi, Pla. I can see myself. Now I can hear. My sound is off. I see my friends. Turn up the volume. I will unmute now. I must mute my voice. I can use the chat. Hi, no, no. Hello, everyone. Send the message. I like this emoji. Oh. Ooh. The teacher shares a page. I raise my hand. I must take notes. Write the words down. Oh no, it is frozen. Please load the video. Refresh the page. Look at the slide. Look at the slide. Time is going fast. Ah. The class is recorded. I like this view. I like this view. The background is blurry.
Open the file. Nahar. Put it in the folder. Download the homework.
Almost there.
Do not click Leave.
I can draw too. Nah.
Fix the mistake.
Open the settings.
Make it bright. Who is here today?
Join the small room. We must hurry. We must hurry.
We are back now. I will vote now.
I, Courtney Turnsfall.
Five minutes left.
The class is done.
I can hear the house.
Close the computer. Now I will find my kids.